Hello, this is Pete from the Hamtrain website. If you're looking to pass your foundation exam, one of the best ways you can prepare before the exam is by taking some mock tests. In this video, we'll show you where to find some good mock tests and how these can help you study. If you're already taking our free Foundation online course, you'll find that at the end of each module there are some quizzes, and at the end of our course there is a full mock test. These mock tests come from Essex Ham's bank of over 300 questions. If you find you've completed the course, or indeed that you want to take more tests, you can do so, again all based on that bank of 300 questions. At the end of the course you can make a donation to get some extra mocks, or alternatively you can use our Patreon site where you can pick from one of 3 different mock packs. As well as taking our mocks online, we've also released them in book format. The book is called Foundation Mock Tests and it's available in paperback, Kindle, for Apple and Google Books and for Kobo, and as of November 25 it will also be available as an audiobook. The book contains 6 complete mock tests, as well as the answers printed in detail, plus some information on how to use these mocks to your advantage and a mock marking sheet that you can print out yourself. As well as our Foundation mock test book, there are also other books available, including the RSGB's Exam Secrets book, which covers all 3 levels, and a slightly out-of-date book called the Foundation Radio Revision Questions book from 2022. If paper mock tests float your boat, then there are 3 tests available free of charge as PDF files on the RSGB website. There are also a couple of apps out there that you can get, either for Apple or for Android devices. If taking mocks online, just be careful that you're definitely using up-to-date mocks based on the current syllabus. There are still some websites out there that are running on an older syllabus, so just take a little bit of care. And if you're just after one trial mock test, on the Ham Hub UK site there is one free mock available. So there you go, in summary, mocks available as part of your course. They're available online, you can buy mocks in book format, print them free from the RSGB website, or there are apps and websites available. If you'd like more information, there are links and a summary over on our website. The shortcut, sxham.uk/mocks. Good luck!